one of the important thing is working together, because you can't working as an individual or just a country itself, it doesn't make any difference unless we hold hands together and try and do something about it.
It has been quite enlightening in that way to see that, okay, yeah, people are thinking of the people living in the Arctic, people are thinking of the communities that are impacted by climate change, and maybe some of these interventions can help them.
I'm so grateful for the initiative you take here to host this conference. It is risk, it is challenging, and it's just asked the question, very important question is, how can we have this discussion and address these problems without at the same time send the signal that we can just as well do this instead of reaching the Paris goals? And we need to keep that idea that the Paris goals should be there, even if we are maybe too late to reach the 1.5 degrees goal as a global community. So the repair is a fix on the way to the solution. The solution is not the repair. And that is the fundamental problem we are here to address. And I really look forward to an open and serious talk about this dilemma.
I found it very interesting. I think it's really cool about this conference that a lot of different methods are put forward, and educating workshop for everyone.
Very eye-opening. It's very diverse, very broad in topics, things that I don't necessarily get to engage with my day-to-day as a researcher and scientist.
The reality has changed drastically. So our strategies and our approaches have to change with it if we want to respond. And that's what climate intervention research is about at its best, not just responsibility, but ability to respond.
I think my hopes for the future really lie in these connections with people from all walks of life, committing to shared values in science and how science can be used and considered in policy making, especially when it comes to climate change. So these connections that we build at conferences like this really give me a cause for hope.